Good morning! This is your property consultant, Gina Imperio, and today, nandito po ako sa actual site ng Satori Residences here in F. Pasco, Barangay Santolan, Pasig. So, based po dito sa aking view, nasa second exit po ako ng construction site. So, yung nakikita nyo po na to, yung last building po is Amani, which is nasa second floor na siya. And the remaining 4 buildings po are almost completed. So, ito po siya. So later today, I'll be giving you an update. Please don't forget to subscribe if you need more updates about the construction, upcoming projects, and some model unit showing po. I'll be glad to show you all the projects we have. Thank you for watching.
Today, July 26, 2022, I will give you the construction update for Satori Residences located at F. Pasco, Santolan, Pasig. As you can see, Amani building, which is the last building of the project, is now on the second floor and the original turnover schedule is August 2024. The other 4 buildings are almost completed and will start the turnover on February 2023 and August 2023. As of today, the progress percentage is more than 50% complete. The property is near LRT Santolan and few minutes to Eastwood City and Ateneo de Manila. Available units are 1 and 2 bedrooms.